Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S Plus. First, connect your new Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Once powered on, select Set up as New Device on the device screen. Next, you'll choose a strong PIN code. Remember, this PIN should be between 4 and 8 digits long and kept confidential. This is your primary access to the device. Now, this next step is crucial for your security. Your device will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Write each word down precisely on the recovery sheets provided. Double-check every word. Then, the device will ask you to verify specific words to ensure you've recorded them correctly. Once verified, store these sheets in a very secure, private place, perhaps a safe or a fireproof box. Never share this phrase with anyone. With your device initialized, it's time to install Ledger Live. Download the official Ledger Live application to your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open Ledger Live and connect your Ledger Nano S Plus. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device. After pairing, you can easily install the specific cryptocurrency applications you plan to use directly onto your Ledger Nano S Plus through Ledger Live. You're now ready to manage your crypto. Use Ledger Live to send and receive various cryptocurrencies. When sending, always double-check the recipient's address carefully before confirming the transaction to prevent errors. For an even smoother experience, remember to keep your Ledger Live software and device firmware updated. And hey, speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.